Lesson 6. Injury. Kelly twisted her ankle during practice. She didn't want to tell her coach, but the ankle became swollen and bruised. She didn't want to stop playing, but the ankle was too painful. There is a chance of injury whenever you exercise. Your chances of injury increase if you exercise often. You should watch for warning signs of injury. Swelling, bruising, and pain were signs that Kelly was hurt, so she should stop playing. You should not experience pain when you exercise. Pain is an indication of injury. 6 common warning signs of injury are sharp pain, tenderness in a single area, swelling, a reduced range of motion around a joint, muscle weakness, numbness or tingling. Don't mistake muscle soreness for an injury. Muscle soreness is achiness that happens a day or two after hard exercise. It is normal. Muscle soreness usually goes away the next time you exercise. However, pay attention to muscle soreness that turns into sharp pain. If you experience any of the warning signs of injury, tell your parent or teacher. You may need to see a doctor. Most people need to exercise only 3 or 4 times a week. However, some people exercise too much. Overtraining is a condition that happens when you exercise too much. To recover from overtraining, people need to take a break from exercise. The following are signs of overtraining. You feel tired all of the time. You aren't doing as well during games and practice. You are less interested in the activity. You start making excuses to avoid practice. Your resting heart rate increases. You may get hurt more often. Your body hasn't had a chance to heal from past injuries.